You like that food? You? This is so cute. He is standing in the old dish. He likes it. He's so cute, Nana.
Didn't have any problem with him getting food, did it?
I think he's wondering where Sine is.
Speaking to our own John King in the next hour to talk about potentially becoming the Republican vice presidential nominee.
He loves it.
State. But first, new details on the nurse accused of killing a young mother, then stealing her little baby. Essentially, ask ourselves, what would we
Little baby.
What would we really do? Like, what are the things that we lack in our city? What are the things that we would like to do but we can't?
Oh, meow.
That's exactly what agriculture should be all about.
Or maybe because he's stepping in it and has water in it, he's probably like, what is on my paws? Oh, meow. You're so
What'd you let Sinead? What'd you let Sinead? When Sinead can eat like that? Because he's probably eating pretty good for his little body.
Come on, Sinead. Aww. Oh, hi, baby. Hi. Hi. You good boy. Oh, sweetie.
So I went to Ancestry.com, typed in her name and a rough date, and right away I found a man.
He looks curious.
With her husband. The first
You're
one.
curious, little kitty.
Now makes great grandpa.
Oh, you
He wants any more.
want any more? Here you
Get started with your family history at Ancestry.com. Make your own discoveries.
Here's one of the easy ones.
I know.
Comfortable for you as we can. We'll deal with the government. Enough to worry about. Stay home and we work on
Aw.
1-800-66-BINDER.
Everything that goes into a Linux system is engineered for comfort. Like parts that create your perfect temperature and humidity.
I spoke with
Together,
Jimmy,
these parts can
and
cut
he
your
said
heating and
that
cooling
this
bills in
was
half,
more
which is quite comforting. And here's the best part. Call now.
Baby.
not keeping a schedule thing that
$75
she decided when she woke up she was going to wake up and know that she had enough sleep.
Download our free
Hadn't
mobile app
gotten
with
on the
energy
road yet
savings
by
calculator to
12
show
o'clock.
how much you'll save with a
She
Linux
wasn't on the
system.
road by 12?
Right, so she might have got on by 1 or so.
Start planning now and take advantage
So
of
4 hours later she should be there now.
Oh, look at you. Look at you. Oh, you like the camera. Where you going? Oh, where you going? Where you going?
I'm starting to tell her about how
Oh,
eyes and stuff.
yeah.
And Jim
Hey.
just jumps right in, talking what he wants to say.
Baby.
No, it doesn't
Oh,
really
here, come here.
doesn't matter if she's in the middle of a word or anything else.
Aw,
He just jumps in.
look at you.
It's almost like he's OCD. He has to say.
Here you go. And kind of bonding with this little guy. I know. Look at him. Okay, this video.